Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upside after we continued to hold within our most significant key area of support between the 0.4692 and the 0.5846. At the time of this recording, we have now managed to break above our key area of resistance above the $0.6, flipping that key area back into support. And on today's update video, I will be discussing my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the Elliot wave structures and the Fibonacci's. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And for those of you that might want to take a trade, you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange, where you can see that on sign up you can now grab up to $50 in sign up bonuses and get a chance to earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. And I will be leaving a link down in the description box that you can use for registration. Starting the video on the 4-hour chart by first discussing this blue Elliot wave structure, which has been playing out from the lows that we made on the 4th of November. You can see that we first peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, a bounce in the formation of this wave 3, a wave 4, and finally peaked to the upside in the formation of this wave 5 in a move that gave us a high above the $0.77. And that 5 wave structure to the upside completed an even larger Elliot wave count 1. And having peaked in the formation of that wave 1, whatever we expected next was the start of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, whose minimum pullback target areas were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the 0.5859 and the 0.4716, which is the area that I have marked here on the chart using this retarget area. An area that we have now almost fully maximized, and there are very high chances that we now have a low in place for that second wave, and whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of an impulse to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And for us to confirm that this wave 3 is just getting started, we also need to see a break above the significant high we made in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1 above the $0.77. So in case in the next coming hours we continue pushing higher and we manage to break above the $0.77, then that will be suggesting a more bullish case scenario in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave that we have at the moment, giving me a minimum target area for that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 1.2837, a target area that we can easily maximize in the next coming days. We also need to have in mind that maybe we still don't have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2, and whatever is playing out at the moment could still be a corrective structure where we can term this as a wave A. So this could be a wave A. Then the bounce that is playing out at the moment is a bounce in a wave B before we can expect one more new low in the formation of the wave C. And if that is the case, then we can identify significant areas that we need to pay attention to in this wave B by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high of the wave A to the low of the wave A, giving me a minimum target area for that wave B between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. So we can mark that target area here on the charts, and that lies between the 0.7156 and the 0.6403, an area that we need to pay attention to, because if by any chance we get rejected within this target area, then that will be suggesting that whatever is playing out over here is still a corrective structure, giving us a bounce in a wave B, and then we can expect one more new low in the formation of this wave C, fully maximizing our red target area and giving us one more new low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can finally start a bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term. and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.